Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Chapley. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. So most of us have spent hours doing this and that and struggling ourselves to put the ear pods that fell up from the ear cups back on. But here's the right way to do it. So let's get started. First, turn the headphones upside down. One hand hold tight on the ear cup. Next, locate the notch on the ear cup. It looks like this. Now, important step. Just hook up a little bit of the ear pod or cushion, just like a nail it up and hook it in. Once you've got a little bit of that ear pod, start rolling the ear pod clockwise until the full parts of the cushion go in. And that's it. So let me just demo it one more time here on the other ear pod. Voila! That's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.